Hello everyone and welcome to Literacy Grade R. I'm Yolindi and this is Bube. Are you guys ready? So what are we going to do in today's lesson? We are going to be writing/drawing letters, words, pictures, numbers. We are going to do some pre-writing. Okay. We are going to revise our rhyme. We are going to continue counting to 5. And we are doing a new song. We are also continuing with our emotions. So are you ready to sing hello? H is for hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can you wave hello? Hello, hello, hello. Wave hello to your left and wave hello to your right. Hello, hello. Bube waves hello. Hello, everyone. So, I got a very special message from a little girl named Grace. Grace, thank you for your message. I am so glad that you are enjoying our lessons. Bube says he does too, and he also wants to wave hello. So Grace, hello and welcome to our lesson. Guys, please remember, I love to see your pictures and your messages. Please continue to send them to me, because that is what keeps us going, and that is what makes this worthwhile for us, is helping you learn and playing with you. Right, so let's quickly revise our rhyme. We did our little piggy. Can you remember? This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef, yum, 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 yum. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy cried, wee, 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 all the way home. So, we had how many piggies? What's that number on the screen? We had 5 piggies. Is for 5. Okay, so we had 5 piggies in our rhyme. Do you know what else is spelled with for 5? Do you remember for fish? Yes, for 5 and for fish. Can you count how many fishes is on the screen? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 fishes. So for 5 and for fish. What colors, guys, do we see on the screen? Can you find all the different colors for us? Bube? Oh, Bube says he wants to help. Orange. I see orange. Blue, B for blue, R for orange. R for red, yes, there's red. Yellow. Black, yes, I see black. Our numbers and letters is black. Our eyes have black. Our mouth was drawn with black with the fishies. White, W for white. The color in our eyes on the side is white. And does the one have green dots? Yes, that's right. G for green. How many green dots or circles or shapes do we see on that one fish right in the corner? Do you want to count them with me? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 green circles or dots. And do you see all the different faces on our fishies? There are some smiling fishies. There are some normal faces, neutral faces. And there's one that has his eyes all the way up like this, almost like he's thinking. Okay, so for 5 and 4 fish. Right, so we have a new song for you that is called Once I Caught a Fish Alive. Have you guys ever been fishing? Okay, what do we do with fish, guys, when we catch them? Do we eat them? Bube, do you eat fish? Yes, bears eat fish in the wild, okay? They go into the water and with their big paws, they smack the fish and then they eat them. So fish can be a source of food and it can be yummy. But do some people just fish for fun? Yes, they do. And we want to look after our fish when we go fishing. So we call it sustainable fishing when we catch and release. So what we do is we catch our fish and we immediately put it back into the water so that it can continue to live. Okay, so if we're not going to eat our fish for dinner, then we should put it back in the water. Okay. So are you guys ready to learn our song? Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Okay, guys, there's lots happening in the song. Do you want to do it together? So let's take our right hand, okay? And can you bite your little finger on your right? Okay, so ask mom and dad or someone at home to show you left and right, okay? Then we're also counting. What numbers do we use in the song? We use, listen carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you show me that section of the song? Can you show me on your fingers? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're gonna catch the fish. Can you pretend to catch your fish? Once I caught a fish alive. Are you happy when you catch a fish? Yes, we are. It's exciting. We've just caught a fish. So be happy when you catch a fish. Then we show 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Can you wiggle your 10 fingers? Then I let it go again. Can you throw it back? Pretend to throw back your fish. Then I let it go again. Then we ask the question, but why did you let your fish go? Why did you let it go? And then you answer the question by saying, because it bit my finger so. If something bit your finger, would you be happy? I don't think so. I think you might be sad, or you might be unsure, or it might hurt and you might cry. Okay, so sad or crying faces is okay for that part of the song. I want you guys to act it out, okay? Then we ask another question. Which finger did it bite? So which finger did it bite, guys? Can you show your thumb? this little finger on my right. And when we saying that, we want to be again sad or crying faces. Okay? Right. So can we do this all together? Let's try. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Good job, everyone. Boo Bear, did you like that song? Boo Bear likes the song. Well done, everyone. So, what emotions did we do in that song? Okay, let's have a look. Can you tell me what emotion does that fishy have right now? Is he sad? Is he crying? Is he happy? Yes, Booby, I think you're right. It's a happy fish. Do you see it smile? It's a H for happy and F for fish, a happy fish. Why? Because we said it's smiling, okay? And look, its eyes are twinkling. What do you think this fish is? Is it sad? I don't know. Is it happy? Not sure. Is it crying? Is it hurt? It's a normal or neutral fish. N for normal, N for neutral, and F for fish. A normal fish. Why, guys? Because there's no smile, there's no sad face. It just looks normal, like my face now. Can you see if I'm happy or sad? No, it's just a normal face. But now you can see I'm happy, I'm smiling. Now I've got a long lip. Now I am sad or cross. Okay. What about this one? What do you think? Is that fish upset? Is it frowning? Is it sad? Is it crying? Is it happy? What do you think? I think it's an angry fish. It's like, it's not a happy fish. It's pulling its face. Huh? What do you think? I think it's an angry fish because it's pulling its face and it's got a frown and it just looks, I don't know, angry, hey? It looks not happy. What about that one? That has many tears. I think it's a crying face. You can see it's sad. It's not happy. Huh? What do you think? Can you see the tears? Yes, it's a K for crying or for sad fish. Okay, because we can see the tears and its mouth is drooping and even its eyes are like down like this. Okay, so mom and dads, remember we can use lots of things at home to express our emotions. You can use pictures and sounds, maybe put it on your fridge or on your wall or even at your bed. And if we don't know how to use our emotions, point to the emotion of your animal or your facey you've created. Make a nice emotion chart because we want to be able to say how we feel and we want to know how others feel. Booby, do you think that's important? Yeah, I think that's very important. So let's play an emotion game. We've done this one before. Can you identify the emotions and tell me what they are? That one is, can you be cross? Can you be angry? Yes, it's an angry fish. That one is our, can you cry? It's a crying fish. Can you be happy? Can you skip? Can you be happy? Yes. Can you dance? Do a little dance for our happy fish? Absolutely. We are happy fish. Can you just be normal? Yeah, just normal. No issues, no worries. Right, guys, so we've got an angry fish. We've got a crying fish or a sad fish. We have got a happy fish, do a little dance, and we've got a just normal fish that we're just going to stand still and use our facial expressions. Can you do that with me when we repeat our song? Let's try. One last time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Good job, everyone. Well done, showing all your emotions. So, yesterday, I asked you guys to bring me something to the class. So, moms and dads, gather around. Anyone who's there to help, let's put out a towel or some newspaper or do this at a place where we can get messy, because we are going to use our flour or our sand or our crayons and paints and stuff now. So I'm going to give you a few seconds to quickly get everything together. Okay, so what do we need? We need something that our flour is in, like Tupperware or sand or milli meal or normal maize meal is fine. Or let's get our paper and crayons or paints and stuff if we didn't have the rest. We are going to use all of it together. Okay, guys? So you must look very carefully. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, that picture shows you sort of what I am asking you to do. Okay, so while I get it ready on my side, get it ready on your side. So I'm going to put my video off for this so that you can see my other video that I am doing at the moment. So I'm just swapping for a second. All right, are you guys ready? Have a look.
Okay, so let's do our crafting. Yesterday I asked you guys to get a Tupperware lid or a bowl or something to make shapes in. So I have got some ground here in a green Tupperware lid or sand. I have got some flour here. I also have some crayons and paper. So you could have used anything here. We are going to use our fingers to make shapes and numbers and pictures and sounds. And this is not writing, guys. This is pre-writing. This is using our fingers to make, to draw, to do. So we can match. So I am going to make something and then you match it. So how about we try something simple? Can you make a little circle for me? Moms and dads, you can do this at home. You can actually have your own and match what your little one does, or ask your little one to match what you have done. All right, so if we are drawing, we can of course draw it on our piece of paper. Okay, how about we turn our circle into a face? Can you make eyes and a nose and a mouth. We can get really creative. Then we can also make this all nice, so we can start again. Okay, let's do a house. Do you want to make the house of our three little piggies? So we can use a triangle, T for triangle, for the roof. And then we can use a square or a rectangle, whichever fits your house the best, to make our roof. Okay, we can also do it in our sand. This helps for different textures, Mom and Dad, and different ways and fine motor skills for our little ones. Okay, so you can see I am having to take some stuff out of the way, and we can see how our different pictures turn out. All right, there you go. We've also learned about our fishies. Remember our fish? Okay, so how about we make a circle for our fish's body, and we use a triangle type shape for our fish's tail, and we can make a little eye. Okay, and remember, you can do this nice and slowly to make your fish. We can also draw a fishy by making our circle and our triangle shape. Okay, and making our little eye, and we can make it even bigger, and we can make colors over it if you want and trace it. Right, then we have also done some numbers, so we can make our number 1. You can also practice to write your name if you want, or make the letters in our name, or to make the other numbers. What about our emotions? Do you think we can make our happy and sad faces? So, how do we make a sad face? We can make our eyes. Can you guys make eyes for me? And a nose and a sad face. We can also make a neutral face by making 2 eyes. So that's what's a neutral face. When we don't know if we are happy or if we are sad, we don't know. Okay, by doing something like that. Okay, how do we make a happy face, guys? Let's make our H for happy. Can you guys make some eyes for me? And a nose and a happy smile. Right, let's try that on our paper. We can make some eyes and a nose and a big smile. We can also make our unhappy face on our paper. So guys, have fun. Make lots of shapes and numbers, and if you want, some letters. But remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. I can't wait for us to all try it, and please send me those pictures.
Right, guys. So, as you can see, there are so many things that we can do with our flour or sand or with crayons and paints. So continue playing with us as much as you want at home. The textures are fun, and experiment. You will see that my pictures weren't perfect at all, and that is what we want. We just want to express ourselves with different forms of things, paper, textures, flour, whatever you want to do, okay? Because in grade R, we learn when we have fun. So what are we doing at home? Things for home. We can practice drawing our pictures in the sand or flour, making words, letters, numbers, your name, your mom's name, dad's name. Try the letters, the sound, okay? We can make letters and pictures from clay about our stories, our fish. So remember, we did the 3 little pigs, we did the 5 little piggies went to the market, and we've done our quarter fish alive. So guys, here is a wonderful, simple clay recipe. 2.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 cup of water, some food coloring if you want to make the different colors, but it's not necessary. Mix all the ingredients together. Store the modeling clay in the refrigerator in a sealed plastic baggie or in a bowl covered with plastic wrap. That will give you clay, and then you can make it. So we don't have to buy clay, we can make it. Moms and dads, please just remember that you get different types of clay recipes. At the end of this, there is a link for multiple different types of clay. This is obviously edible clay, but remember, when it gets old, it could get moldy. So watch out for those different types of clays, okay? So make, play, 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 and I can't wait to see all the pictures. The more that you read, the more things you'll know. Remember, everything we've done so far is about reading our rhymes and reading our poems and our songs, okay? So we can do all these things we're doing and all this playing that we're doing because we learn to read. The more you learn, the more places you will go, and that is from Dr. Seuss. So there is our links on the screen. Remember, you can go to YouTube and find these links if this is too quick for you to get it. Join me tomorrow where we are going to continue with our journey. Are you ready to say goodbye? I am. Boo Bears, let's sing goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, goodbye. We had some fun. We had some fun today. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Now let's go and play. Have fun, everyone. Thank you to Africa Teen Geeks and all our sponsors for making this possible. Send us those pictures. Go and look on YouTube. Invite your friends, and don't forget to go and have a look at all our other classes and our other teachers, because we are here to have fun with you. Please stay behind if you've got questions. I will be around for another minute or two to answer any questions that there might be. See you tomorrow, everyone.